friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have some happy mail, and I feel like we're going to have a few happy mail videos coming up soon. But I have some happy mail from the Adventure Challenge and from Sweet Kawaii Designs. So let's start with this one because I don't think this one will take long to flip through, but I'm very, very excited for it. Let me readjust there. Huzzah. I'd actually purchased a gift for a friend from the Adventure Challenge or the Adventure Challenge journal. And when I was purchasing her gift, I noticed they had an Adventure Challenge. So I was like, why not? I don't think it's available anymore. But basically what it is it's a flip calendar, desktop calendar. And it has rules. It says, disconnect to reconnect. The purpose is to unplug from the busyness of the holiday season, connect and have fun. Put those cell phones away and enjoy the people who are celebrating, who you are celebrating the season with. Number 2, no takebacks. If you scratch off a challenge, you have to do it. If you don't feel like it, too bad. Do it anyway. Discover something new about yourself. Number 3, document the journey. Take a picture, if everyone feels comfortable, and write about your adventure on the back of the page. We are here to help you create lasting memories. And then 4, show it off. Upload the photo of your adventure to social media and tag at the Adventure Challenge. So you guys may have seen like the books and things like that on like it's popped up on my Facebook ads and things like that quite often. But here's what's cool about this one. So in the typical journals, it gives you kind of an idea of like how much it's going to cost or how much time it is. This one, it doesn't. So they must be fairly simple challenges because they have it starting on December 14th up to Christmas. So they have a little sticky tab here that when you take a photo of you doing it, you can put it there. And then, so this is where you scratch off. I'm not scratching off yet. It's not December 14th. And then they give you space on the back to write a little something, which is nice. I thought it'd be a different take on an advent calendar, not chocolate, not something like that. I mean, it could be something edible. Then the 15th, and I believe it goes, I'm going to show you all the front pictures so that you can see the designs. Now, one thing they said on their website is they're like, you know, we get that the holiday season's busy, so maybe you can't do this every day, but maybe you decide you're going to do, you know, on a weekend, do a couple different scratch offs. I think I'm going to try and do it every day or scratch it off. And if I can't do it that day, I'll mark it in my planner of when I can do it. I like this one. This one's a pretty picture. And what I like is for me, it starts after all of the busy concert stuff at school. The 20th. And these are like thick pages. 21st, look at those gingerbread houses. Ugly Christmas sweaters. Sorry, I was giggling because this made me laugh. I like that. And that's it. It goes up to the 25th. So you got 12 days. So like the 12 days of Christmas. So it shouldn't be anything super crazy, but I'll let you guys know what's on the scratch offs. Either check out my Instagram or I don't know, I'll post it somewhere or I'll talk about it when we're all done. Maybe I'll do a flip through. But it's one of those calendars that just kind of like, I don't know if you guys can see. It kind of pops up there. It's a horrible picture. I'll take a picture of it standing up so you can see. So that is from the Adventure Challenge, and I'm very excited to do that one. And then, I wasn't going to do this, and then I saw this kit, and Sweet Kawaii Designs does 2 different sub boxes. I've never done a sub box before for any planner. One is a monthly kit, and you get it about 2 months in advance, which is pretty cool. But she will sell her monthly kits in pieces on her website. This is more of a themed kit, and it does not come to the website. And when I saw it, it was just so cute. I don't know if I'm going to keep the box subscription or not, but I still wanted to, this one was so cute. And since I knew I couldn't get it separately, I was like, done. So on this first page, first of all, this box is called Fresh Start. And so this page says, sometimes all we need is a fresh start. And she was talking on her channel about how she wanted something that was like January, winter, New Year's-y kind of, but without it being that particular season, if that makes sense. So it has quiet night at home, listen to happy music, create an evening routine, get enough sleep, start a to-read list. That's happening. Nourish yourself. I like that. Spend times with your faves. And I love her little characters. They're so cute. Take a break from your screen. Journal your thoughts. Declutter your space. Stay hydrated. And these little sparkles here are also stickers. So all of these are stickers. And they're more like a vinyl sticker. So I'm going to have to remember not to use like my felt tip pens on them. Not that I would on these guys, but you know. So there's the first sheet. This is one big sticker, friends. And I love it. It says pause and reset. And the sloth's name is Simon. She has names for all of the characters. And if you know all of her names for her characters and you want to drop them in the comments, you can. I don't remember all the names. I'm very new to this sticker shop. But this is a giant sticker. And I kind of want to get a water bottle just to stick it on. Kind of do. But he's so cute. All right, and then you get this page, and I think this is such a neat page for a sub box because it gives you a little info about her stickers, and then it will tell you like when your automatic payment happens. It'll also tell you when your kit will ship, so you can go ahead and put that in the monthly part of your planner, and then you get all these cute little decos. How cute is that? I love it. All right, the next page, these are all header stickers, as well as some this week's, but these are all headers, every single one of them. And I got the vertical kit, by the way. She does offer the kits in like vertical and horizontal and all the other different planner styles. Like she has a ton. I was shocked. So here you got some potions that say self-love, focus, and confidence, some sparkles, quarter boxes, and then your Monday through Sunday boxes. You get 4 of those. And then like, look how cute they are. I love the alligator. Love it. Then you get some functional checklists in the colors. And then here are some full boxes. And this is where I said, I got to remember that I can't use like my felt tip. I'm going to need to use either a permanent marker or like my regular pens. They'll work better. So in your full boxes, you get that big sticker and a tiny, it's not really a tiny sticker, but in a full box. Then it says, what's coming is better than what is gone. Every day is a fresh start. I adulted today. I like that one. And then some more functional boxes. Then you get some more. You get a double box that says pause and reset. And I do know that his name is Poe, that the panda's name is Poe. And it says release, recharge, refresh. You get the potions again. You've got and relax. And I like the little like sparkly garland on these boxes here. Then some more functionals. You got icon stickers as well as, so this you'll find the rest of the days on another sheet. To-dos, planner sessions, quick clean, family time, payday stickers, groceries, these folded laundry, got out of bed today. There's definitely times like that. So lots of fun little icon stickers. I love the I love the laundry ones. It almost makes me want to do laundry, but not really. But not really. The coffee one, vacuum. So many cute little things. You've got weekend banners that say hello weekend. You've got habit trackers here, quarter boxes here. Just how happy is this kit? It's like super happy. half boxes. Here's the rest of your days. And then you have date covers or day headers. And then you have 2 sheets of washi stickers that are just clouds and sparkles. I'm just happy. So there you have it. So that is my happy haul for today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my planner videos or my Happy Mail hauls, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. With Black Friday coming, and I don't know when this video will go up. It'll probably be after Black Friday. I know I have a lot of other planner things I want to get, so stay tuned for that, y'all. I'll catch y'all on the next one.